The costume art of the early Tang Dynasty developed its unique style on the basis of inheriting the northern dynasties and Sui Dynasty. Ladies liked to wear clothes with narrow sleeves, half sleeves and half-color skirts, and it became fashionable to wear a curtain hat when traveling. This is one of the typical female costumes in the early Sui and Tang dynasties. The woman is wearing an upper-outer garment with small sleeves and a dress of light red printed gauze. The stable status of the Tang dynasty as a great power and its confident and open cultural atmosphere were fully reflected in its social and cultural customs. Whether at court or among the people, women's makeup and dress-up represent the unprecedented self-confidence in them. During this period, the ladies of the court were fashionable with their towering hairstyles and slender dresses, and the overall shape presented a straight and dignified temperament. In such a popular aesthetic, the collocation of one-knife half-turn bun and half-collar skirt was all the rage for a time, and the representative costume style of the early Tang dynasty was also developed and became mature at this time. In addition, women's makeup gradually moved away from the plain style in the early Tang dynasty and began to develop towards a gorgeous style. The color on the cheeks became thick and its range gradually expanded. The eyebrows changed from slender to thick as well. The development and change of costume fashion in the early Tang dynasty experienced a process from simplicity to complexity, from frugality to extravagance. In this process, we can see the evolution of such trends: the stripe of the collar skirt from wide to narrow. Instead of being tightly tied under the armpits, skirts are more close to the neckline and gradually moved down, and even appeared in the Woodrow period. Curtain hat, also known as cap, is designed for women to cover the face when traveling, so that people can peep at them. Later, the four sides of the curtain hat is modified by hanging a loop of net, which allows women to have a clearer sight.